Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change a reminder in Slack. At first, go to your Slack browser and log in. And after that, just select any of the workspaces. Just click on Launch. Then just wait for the workspace to launch. Just click on Use Slack in your browser and the workspace should load up. Just give it some time. And after it loads up, on the left-hand side, you're gonna see many options. Your profile, or the workspace profile rather, Home, DMs, Activity, Files, Later, and more. If we need to go to Later, inside Later, we'll see all our reminders. From here, we can select the reminder that we need to change and click on the More Actions icon. Then click on Edit Reminder. Then from here, we can change the date, change the time, as well as change the text or the description of the reminder. Remind, Madam. And we can also change the time, also the day or the date, and click on Save. There you go, the reminder has been changed. And basically that is how to change reminder in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.